everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our setup is a little bit different. I'm doing a mukbang in the car actually. So I just picked up some Taco Bell, even though it looks like I got KFC, but ours is combined. So I'm about to go roller skating with Candace, and I decided I would do a mukbang before I went, because why not? So I'm going to show you guys the goods, and I don't normally do this kind of stuff on my channel, but I decided that this year I want to branch out. Is this distracting? Is that better? I don't know. So item number one is a Crunch Wrap Supreme. It's so large, with beans instead of beef. For all the vegetarians out there, you can substitute the beef for beans, and vegans, you can take out the sour cream and cheese as well. I also am going to try their new nacho fries. Came with the nacho sauce. I'm excited. And I got a whole bunch of mild sauce, which is my favorite flavor of sauce. But they did not give me any napkins. I'm going to have to get over here for my supply. And then I just got some water from my house to drink. Let's begin with the taste test of the fries. I heard that they're better like with the sauce than plain, but we're gonna try. These are pretty good. These taste like the fries in the cafeteria that my school used to sell. I don't know if they still do. They're like called, this cheese is so hot. Oh my gosh. They were called like hot fries, but they weren't really that hot. This tastes so cool. It is hot overall. That's pretty good. I think they taste good without and with the sauce. I will be having those in a second just because they're like really hot and the cheese is like gonna burn me. So okay, so I know it's been like about a month since I've uploaded, and I freaking hate that it's been that long. Like, I've wanted to upload like so many times LOL, but I'm not really feeling that creative. So we're starting it off here with this mukbang, which is like, I guess, out of my comfort zone or whatever. So it's different and hopefully exciting and fun. Hope you guys like these videos. The lighting is actually pretty good. It's really cloudy outside, but the lighting is good, and my highlight is blinding. If you guys like this mukbang, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more. You guys can suggest where you want me to go. You can comment below. This is good. I was inspired to make this video because I've been watching a lot of mukbangs recently. Mostly Trisha Paytas's, which she has iconic mukbangs, and this girl named Steph Pappas. She is 17 and she's a junior, so she's like in my grade, and she does mukbangs like these where she like sits in her car and has a good time. So I was like, well, I want to try this out. At least, you know, try it at least once, and then if I don't like it, then I don't have to do it again. But I do like this so far. We're like 4 minutes in. I think I told you guys I'm going roller skating with Candace. It's about 30 minutes away. There's cheese in my face. So I left like 30 minutes early so I could get here and film this video for you guys, because I'm dedicated, you know. It's kind of burnt, but it's good. This morning, I had to be at school at 7 for makeup testing, which sucks. I got ready early. I came to McDonald's and I got a hash brown and a caramel macchiato, which is something I never do. I never, like, I'm early enough to be able to stop at like a drive-thru for breakfast or whatever. So I normally just like go to school. Oh my gosh, I'm hot. Hold on. All this food is making it steamy in here. I had a bunch of stuff I was going to talk to you guys about because I was planning this during my classes when I was bored. I hear some noises, but hopefully I don't die. Oh. I guess I'll tell you guys what I've been up to. So this past Monday and Tuesday was Mardi Gras. So our band went to Houma, Louisiana to perform in 2 parades. The night parade was the Cleopatra parade, which is like only women. And then the day parade was like the Crew of Homeless parade, which is like mostly men. So it was like 15 miles total, like both of those together. And I was expecting to be like super worn out, and my feet would hurt and I'd be dying, but I actually felt fine. So yay, I'm really proud of myself. I've been going to the gym recently for the past couple months, and I think that's really been helping a lot. I missed a lot of school. I also missed Friday for an envirothon thing. We were like going to set up some trees for an event that was happening, and then I missed yesterday, which was Thursday, because of envirothon again. We went to training. I need to eat, so I'm gonna take a second to just eat. I'm going roller skating tonight, and then tomorrow is my friend Lainey's birthday, like party slash whatever. We're not actually gonna be like having cake and like sitting around, you know. We're gonna be going to this Chinese restaurant called Chopsticks. If you guys live near me or you know me personally, y'all know what Chopsticks is. It's, oh my gosh, so good. And the girl that goes to our school, her parents own it, so it's pretty lit. We're also gonna go make mosaics, and then we might go by this place called Papa's Pizza. Again, if you know me or you live near me, you know what that is. It's like a pizza place, and we're gonna get this thing called a sweetie pie, which is like a sweet pizza, basically. Like dessert pizza. And my friend Kelly works there, so that's lit. I go by there and see her sometimes. And yeah, and then next weekend is The Gathering, which is a Methodist youth conference. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be vlogging. I vlogged last year, but I just never uploaded it, and I'm sad because it was great. I will be vlogging this year. Y'all, I got cheese on my shirt. I have 7 minutes to finish this up, so let's hope that I can do that. Okay, yay, car wipes. Do your job. Okay. All right, honey, we see you. Car wipes. Let's see what these are. Auto Drive cleaning wipes. If you want to sponsor me, your product is amazing, and I love it. Thank you for cleaning up my stains when I'm mukbanging in the car. Anyway, so The Gathering, super excited. It's the whole weekend, so I'm gonna have a ton of footage, hopefully, and I'm freaking pumped. Right now in English, we're writing a paper, and the topics are all super lame. My topic is, should there be taxes on unhealthy food? And I don't really think so, because, I mean, yeah, unhealthy food's a problem. We need to educate Americans about, you know, the dangers of obesity and stuff like that, and also push healthy food. I low-key feel weird about sitting in my car eating and filming myself, but like, this is YouTube these days. I mean, so many people make mukbangs, and I just want to be part of the fun. I mean, I'm having a great time here. I was also going to talk about my videos and what I'm planning to upload. I think I'm going to try to upload every weekend, like Saturday, Sunday, sometime Friday, whatever. I have ideas, so this video obviously is for this weekend. And then for next weekend, it'll probably be The Gathering vlog. That'll probably be on Monday. I want to do a cooking video, either like a new recipe or my favorite lasagna. It is so delicious. I really like to show you guys that recipe. And then I also want to do a video about my vegetarianism. I can probably do questions, so if you guys want to ask me anything about that, you can leave the questions down below. I'm just going to answer like common questions like I found on the internet, y'all's questions if you ask me any questions, and just talk about my experience. I feel like it could be helpful. Wow. I guess I ran out of topics to talk about. Oh, that was a fail. Never wearing white in the mukbang ever again, because it's not going to end up well. I flinch every time I open it, and like, I don't know why. Good thing that stains at the very bottom of my shirt, so hopefully nobody will be looking there. I also think that Candace's friend Chandler's going to be there. I don't know Chandler, but I've heard a lot about him, so I think I'll be meeting him for the first time. And yeah, I have about 1 minute. I have to go pee. I'm gonna eat this fry, and then I'm gonna end this video. Dang, we got 15 minutes of content. I forgot how long it takes to go through a drive-thru, because I was thinking I'd have 30 minutes to film this, and I realized if I leave my house at 5 and go through the drive-thru, it takes longer than a second to do that. So, whatever though. We have plenty of time. If I'm late, it doesn't really matter. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this different kind of video. I never do stuff like this, like I said a billion times, but I'm excited to hopefully do more if you guys like this. So if you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below where you want me to go next. Just not McDonald's or anything unless it's like breakfast, because I don't eat meat, so it's kind of difficult to do that. We can go to Sonic. Don't really want to go to Wendy's. We can go Subway, whatever. So also make sure to subscribe to my channel. It'll be somewhere on the screen for more videos from me. I hope to be uploading a lot. Also, oh my gosh, prom is coming up like next month, so I'll be doing a prom get ready with me. Definitely. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Stay tuned for great things to come. Subscribe, and yeah, that's all I had to say. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.